2011 Nissan Rogue. We have a P0 2011 Nissan Rogue. We have a P0101 DTC. I've already diagnosed the car. They don't get their vehicle service here. Not that you have to get your car serviced at the dealer. Not necessary, but you do have to put quality parts in. Now that's the mass airflow sensor. Grams per second PID on the graph. See how spiky and how uneven the airflow is? Look at that. We got rubbish. Now that's an aftermarket filter. That's in that air box. Look how it's all over the place. Doesn't fit right. This is why it's important to use quality parts. You don't have to go to the dealer, but you do need to use high quality parts. Oh yeah, that's nice focus right there. There we go. Now look at that. See how crappy that looks? Let me get my cell phone out. I'm gonna record it with my cell phone too. Let's put this on the bench. I want to get some cell phone footage just so that I can show the customer. Alright, so that's the aftermarket filter. Poor airflow, up and down, rapidly changing. Okay. How's the focus? Here. Is focus good? Yeah, that's a little better. Alright, so that's what we got with the aftermarket filter. I'm going to keep it running, keep the camera rolling. I'm going to swap the filter out right now. Let's turn it around so you can see me swapping the filter from afar. Got the new filter. New Nissan filter with the part number for the Rogue. There is the part number, 2011 Rogue. Any body style Rogue like that, filter should be the same part number, probably. So let's put it in. So now, let's turn the camera around. Look at the difference right away. A lot smoother. Oh, let's get you closer. It still changes up and down, but nowhere near as drastically as before with that cheap filter. So a lot smoother. Now, let's get my camera out on my cell phone and record. That's with an OEM filter. Notice the time scale. This is an Autel, so if you're going to be using an Autel to monitor the flow, you'll want to start with the time scale that it gives you. Expand it to full screen and start with the time scale that it gives you. 0 to 8 grams. Because as soon as you hit the throttle, it's going to do the auto scaling stupid thing, and it's going to make it really wide, and you're not going to be able to see that. You want to be able to get real detailed in on that, and it stopped. Data flow stopped. Anyway, now it's back. But anyway, you can see how much smoother it is compared to the other one, compared to the aftermarket filter. and it's fluctuating a lot less. So that's it, man. We have a fix. It's official. Oh, it's still recording. Well, anyway, that's a fix. Thanks for watching. Hakeem with AutoFix Pal. Peace.